Hello, I'm Latanja Muhammad, founder of College Cost Cutter. Welcome to Countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We are on day 26. If you are just joining us, be sure to check out the description below where you will find links to the topics covered from days 1 through 25. Today, we're going to talk about net worth. There's a question on the FAFSA that requires families to record the total net worth of their assets. And this is a question where quite often families enter a number that's too high because they may not really understand how to calculate net worth. So let's dive into that today. Net worth is the current value as of today, and today means the day that you sign and submit the FAFSA. Current value as of today of your investments, businesses, and investment firms minus any debts related to those same investments, businesses, or investment firms. And so it's important that families take the time to calculate whatever debts are directly associated with these assets. Subtract that number from the value of the assets and make sure you're not entering any number higher than that. When you're calculating net worth, use 0 for investments or properties with a negative value. And you may need to get an accountant or another financial professional to help you do that. But please do not overestimate your net worth because it can cost you in financial aid eligibility. So thank you for joining us for today's tip. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, invite others to join us for the remainder of this series. Countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.